When Controlpoint is searching content of documents, it can recognize patterns within those documents and flag them for review. Some of the useful patterns out of the box are credit cards, personal identifiable information, tax file numbers, ABNs, addresses, emails, names, and many other patterns. Organizations can also create their own custom patterns for business-specific patterns used like project numbers, property numbers, job numbers, application numbers, and customer numbers. Controlpoint allows organizations to find patterns in the content of documents. This can be as simple as a credit card pattern or identify personal identifiable information. Controlpoint comes with thousands of patterns organizations can leverage out of the box. But organizations can also create their own. For example, a student number 1234 or customer number 1234. Once patterns are identified, it then allows organizations to make business decisions on those documents. For example, an organization could automate the capture of documents based on finding a pattern, like a customer number, in a document and save it into the relevant customer folder in Content Manager. Here we are using a category to find all documents in any repository that Controlpoint is looking at, with a certain credit card pattern in them. We can see that we have a list here and see that a valid credit card number has appeared. A recent customer found over 1,300 credit card patterns in their network drive, not saved in secure locations. Controlpoint allowed them to identify the location and users who placed them there, plus also addressing the issue at hand in the short-term goal to be PCI DSS compliant. Here we have chosen to secure these credit cards in the Content Manager using a specific policy we have created. This policy is looking for the previously discussed category or repositories credit card data. This means that any time a document with a credit card pattern in it is put in a repository, a network drive, SharePoint, or Exchange, etc., it will be identified and then be flagged to be moved to Content Manager. Below, you can see the files that have been approved to go into Content Manager. This can be automated as mentioned before. When moving to Content Manager, an organization has 3 choices with what to do with the original document. You can leave it behind, leave a shortcut, or remove the document. Leaving a shortcut helps if the user goes back to find that document. There will be a link for them to still access the document. This allows organizations to automatically manage personal identifiable information or sensitive information, according to their internal guidelines without human intervention. Using Controlpoint will help decrease an organization's risk and provide evidence of your organization's effort to manage sensitive information.